sincerity, trust, enhancement, innovation, criteria. PTH, since its establishment in 1998, with its pioneer advantage and profound expertise in China's integrated housing industry, has extended its professional services and excellent solutions to more than 120 countries around the world and successfully delivered more than 3,000 projects. Through the strategic idea of internal development and external cooperation, PTH continues to deepen its internal innovation and improve the quality of its products and services, and at the same time, actively establishes cooperative relationships with global partners to jointly promote the sustainable development of the industry.